bless you. Good day to you wherever you are watching me from. My name is Pastor Mrs Mary Morakinyo. I urge you to please anticipate my new music video that will be released on my birthday on the 9th of July 2026. The music video is I Worship You, My Father, and I know it's going to be a blessing to you as we worship the Lord together. It's going to be on my YouTube page at Pastor Mrs Mary Morakinyo. The Lord bless you as you watch it, and I know you'll be blessed in Jesus' name. God bless you.